1 minute story: The Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time, there lived a strong elephant in the forest. Every day he would walk with big foot, steps stamping the ant hill. The ant decided to teach the elephant a lesson. One day, when the elephant was eating banana leaves, a few ants started biting. Elephant was unable to bear the pain and it began to tramp loudly. The ants felt sorry for the elephant. "We are sorry, we wanted to teach you a lesson." The elephant realized his mistake. He understood that all living beings feel pain. From that day onwards, the elephant did not trouble others. Moral: bigger is not always great.